How to change app names on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Shortcuts application on your phone. Make sure your Wi-Fi connection is on. Now, tap the plus icon in the top right corner to create a new shortcut. On the next screen, tap on the Open App option. Here, tap on the blue app placeholder and select the app you want to change app names for. In this case, for example, I am choosing the App Store app. Then tap the drop-down menu icon at the top of the screen and choose Add to Home Screen option. This pops up a preview of the home screen icon. Now, choose a photo you want to use for the app from your photo gallery. Then, change the app name as you wish. Once the new name and icon are set, tap on Add in the top right corner. Now, you can find this shortcut on your home screen. When tapped, it will run the shortcut and open the designated app. Following these steps, you can easily change app names on an iPhone.